Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G22, and I'll show you how to turn off always on display feature on this device. So first we should go into the Muviz Edge application, and after that click here to the settings section, tap to always on display, and now here near the always on display you can see here the switcher. Just to turn it off you should click only once on the switcher, and as can you see all of the options they are blocked. And now when we'll just lock the device, we can see that the always on display feature is turned off successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.